Understanding Printer Driver, an essential guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and practical topic, printer driver. This term is commonly used in technology, and understanding it can be really beneficial. So, let's dive in and demystify this phrase together. A printer driver is a piece of software that acts as a bridge between your computer and the printer. It's like a translator, helping your computer communicate with the printer. This driver tells the printer how to print information on the page. Think of it as an instruction manual that your computer uses to understand the printer's language. Without a printer driver, your computer wouldn't know how to send print jobs to the printer. It's essential for converting data from your computer into a format the printer can understand. This process ensures that your documents, photos, or any other materials print out correctly. You usually need to install a printer driver when you set up a new printer. Most printers come with a CD containing the driver, or you can download it from the manufacturer's website. Keeping your printer driver updated is also important for ensuring smooth printing and accessing new features or bug fixes. Sometimes, printer drivers can cause issues like printer malfunctions or communication errors. These problems can often be fixed by reinstalling or updating the driver. It's a common troubleshooting step when dealing with printer problems. I hope this video has helped you understand what a printer driver is and why it's important. Remember, it's the software that makes printing possible and ensures your documents look just right. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning content.